Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Now I am going to teach you about the world map. Already in your previous classes you learned about the world map, but it is totally different. Observe each and every one. It is very important. So this is world map. So world divided into two, a water area and land area. So water area is 71% and land area is 29%. This 71% of water divided into 5 oceans and 29% of land divided into 7 continents. Let's see this water area and also land area. So this is the water area. So the biggest ocean, Pacific Ocean. Second biggest ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Third biggest ocean, Indian Ocean. Third biggest ocean, Indian Ocean. Fourth biggest ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and the smallest ocean, Arctic Ocean. So let's see the shape of the oceans also. So the shape of Pacific Ocean, triangular in shape. The shape of Atlantic Ocean, S in shape. The shape of Indian Ocean, M in shape. The shape of Antarctic Ocean, L in shape. The shape of Arctic Ocean, O in shape. Observe on the map. So this is the Pacific Ocean. When we fold the world map, so both sides we can observe the triangular shape. So this is the Pacific Ocean. It is in triangular shape. Next observe Atlantic Ocean, S in shape. Indian Ocean, M in shape. Antarctic Ocean, L in shape. Arctic Ocean, O in shape. Understood? Next let's see the continents according to the size. The biggest continent, Asia. Second biggest continent, Africa. Third biggest continent, North America. Fourth biggest continent, South America. Fifth biggest continent, Antarctica. Sixth one, Europe. And the last one, Australia. So already you know the continents, but according to the size. First biggest continent, Asia. Second, Africa. Third, North America. Fourth, South America. Fifth, Antarctica. Sixth, Europe. And last one, Australia. Next, let's see the latitudes, important latitudes. So this is 0 degree. 0 degree equator passes through the South America, Africa and Indonesia. Already you know the equator divides the globe into two equal parts, but it is important where it is passing through the continents, South America, Africa and Indonesia. Indonesia means Asia. Indonesia is the largest group of islands in Asia. Next, 23.5 degree North Tropic of Cancer is passing through the North America, Africa and Asia. Next, 66.5 degree northern latitude, it is Arctic Circle. It is passing through the North America, Greenland, Europe and Asia. Next, equator down, I mean southern hemisphere. 23.5 degree southern latitude, Tropic of Capricorn passing through the South America, Africa and Australia. Especially Australia divided into two parts due to Tropic of Capricorn. Next, 66.5 degrees south, this is Antarctic Circle. It is passing through the Antarctica. So note on this, very important. Equator passes through the South America, Africa, Asia, especially Indonesia, the largest group of islands. Next, Tropic of Capricorn passing through the North America, Africa and Asia. Arctic Circle passing through the North America, Greenland, Europe and Asia. Tropic of Capricorn passing through the South America, Africa, Australia. Antarctic Circle is passing through the Antarctica. Because these are very important for our history. Let's see the importance of the continents. Which is the biggest continent in the world? Asia. So Asia is the largest continent and most populous continent in the world. The area of Asia 44.58 million square kilometers. The population of Asia 446.27 crores. So the area which is located near Europe and Asia. Observe here, this is Europe, and this is Asia. The area which is near the Europe and Asia, we called it Eurasia. Next, see the boundaries of Asia. So north, Arctic Ocean; south, Indian Ocean; east, Pacific Ocean; west, the boundary between Europe and Asia, Ural Mountains and Ural River. It divides the Europe and Asia. Next, so China is the most populous country in Asia. So the population in China 139.27 crore. India is the second most populous country in Asia. The population in India 135.26 crores. So Mount Everest is the highest peak in India. So next we find out the Gobi. Gobi is the cool desert. It is located between China and also Tibet. Gobi is the coolest desert in Asia. Next, Tibet is known as the roof of the world. Roof of the world. Indonesia is the biggest group of islands. Next, which is the biggest country in Asia? Russia. Russia is the biggest country in Asia. The capital of Russia, Moscow, but Moscow is in Europe. India is the third largest country in Asia. Next, Singapore is the smallest country in Asia. So understood all of you? This is the importance of Asia continent. I'll send you photo pic also. Next, second biggest continent, Africa. So this is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. The area of Africa 30.37 million square kilometers. The population of Africa 121.61 crores. And the boundaries of Africa, let's see in the map. So this is Africa. North, Mediterranean Sea. This is the area of Mediterranean Sea. South, Antarctic Ocean. East, Indian Ocean. West, Atlantic Ocean. So north, Mediterranean Sea, south, Antarctic Ocean, east, Indian Ocean, west, Atlantic Ocean. Next, so which is the biggest country in the Africa? Only in Africa, Sudan. Sudan is the biggest country in Africa. Smallest country in Africa, Gambia. Next, Nile is the biggest river in the world and also Africa. Egypt is called Gift of Nile. Already you studied in your 7th class why it is called Gift of Nile. Next, Victoria waterfalls. Largest waterfalls in Africa. Atlas mountains are located in the northwest part of Africa. So we have Himalayas, they have Atlas mountains. In Europe they have Alps. Next, Zambia and Zimbabwe is famous for gold and diamond mines. Largest snakes, because the middle part of Africa covered with equatorial forest. So we find out the largest snakes and different types of monkeys in equatorial forest. Especially example for some snakes and also monkeys in Africa. Puma is the fastest animal. Armadillo is a strange creature. It is a very dangerous creature and a small purugu lantidi. Next, stay is a poisonous flies. Thus these type of poisonous flies, fastest animal, snakes, so different types of longest snakes, different types of monkeys we find out in the middle part of Africa. Next continent, North America. So North America is famous with the land of lakes because we find out number of lakes in North America. The area of North America 24.71 million square kilometer. The population of North America 57.9 crores. Largest freshwater lake, Lake Superior, it is located in North America. Next, biggest country in North America, Canada. Smallest country, Nevis. Washington DC is the capital of USA. We know waterfalls in Africa, Victoria waterfalls. In North America, Niagara waterfalls is the highest waterfalls. Next, South America. So the area of South America 17.84 million square kilometers, the population 42.25 crores, and it is also famous with the name of leaf continent because it is leaf in shape, and it is also famous for bird continent because we find out number of birds in South America. The biggest mountains, Andes mountains, longest mountains, Himalayas, it is in India. Biggest mountains, Andes mountains. Next, biggest river, Amazon. Longest river, River Nile, it is in Africa. Biggest river, Amazon. Next, biggest country, Brazil. Smallest country, Suriname. It is Brazil, Suriname in only South America. Next, Antarctica. Antarctica, we know it is the 5th largest continent. It is totally covered with ice and snow because it is located in the polar region. So it is totally covered with ice. White continent, treeless continent, snow continent. The area of total Antarctica 14,200,000 square kilometers. Population, some places find out 1,000, in some areas we find out 5,000. So it is zigzag in some different places. Anyway, more than 5,000 population. Biggest mountains, Gambarstow. And Antarctica is the home of most erebus, caribou, reindeer, penguin, famous in Antarctica. Vostok is the Russian research center, and Dakshina Ganga is also Indian research center in Antarctica. So the Europe, next 6th biggest continent and the 2nd smallest continent, Europe. So Europe population 2nd smallest continent, and also it is the 2nd smallest continent and 6th biggest continent. Boundaries: North Arctic Ocean, South Mediterranean Sea, East Ural Mountains, Ural River, West Atlantic Ocean. Next, Volga is the longest river in Europe. Alps mountains are the important mountains. Danube is the international river and largest saltwater lake, Caspian Lake. Norway, we know land of midnight sun. Land of rising sun, Japan, it is in Asia. Land of midnight sun, Norway, it is in Europe. Next, important seas: Black Sea, North Sea, White Sea, Baltic Sea. So number of famous seas also we find out in Africa. Last continent, Australia. Area 7,692,24,000 kilometers. Population 25,714, 25,714,700 millions. The capital of Australia, Canberra. It is famous for land of kangaroos. So it is very important because we are going to learn about the history. So we must know about the continents, importance of continents. Thank you.